Hi, I'm Craig Jones with PerformanceDIY, formerly EpoxyCo, and we want to go over a few conditions that you could have when applying a high-performance coating. With your kit, you'll receive a must-read, and the must-read just goes over some of these conditions. We do this to make it simpler for the customer so that they don't run into any problems. And so I'm going to read those really quickly for you. We have temperature sensitivity. In cold conditions, Part A resin may appear gritty or chunky. These issues can be resolved by gently preheating Part A in a water bath to at least 122 degrees Fahrenheit. So you just take a pot of water, heat it to 122 degrees, and put it in there. Stir occasionally until it returns to a liquid state. Rest assured this will not alter the performance characteristics of this product. Color consistency. If you have purchased more than one kit, you want to batch mix the Part A's together in one of the outer buckets, and that way you have full color consistency. Mixing ratio. The correct mixing ratio is 2.3 parts of A to 1 part of Part B, unless otherwise specified on the instructions. But that is our standard mixing ratio for the epoxy. For the polyaspartic is 1 part of Part A to 0.85 of Part B by volume. Mixed product must be poured from the bucket immediately onto the surface and coated so it doesn't cure fast in the bucket. You don't want to mix and leave it in the bucket. Application conditions. Apply the product in temperatures between 44 degrees Fahrenheit and 77 degrees Fahrenheit with relative humidity below 75%. We always recommend applying later in the evening as it's cooling rather than as it's heating, and you don't want any direct sunlight on your coating when you're coating. That way you avoid any potentials for bubbling when you apply thicker applications. If bubbling does occur, we recommend using a torch blower to blow over the floor, and this will pop the bubbles. You don't have to sit on it, you just wave it over it and it will pop the bubbles. A power blower will also do the same thing. If fish eyes occur due to surface contamination, continue to back roll until the surface is tacky. Well, that pretty much covers all of the different variables. We will have a QR code link in this video below so that you could scan it and get the appropriate detailed instructions for each kit that you purchase. We do recommend, however, that you do read these instructions and go through them. There's videos associated with each kit, but these instructions really cover everything. Remember, you're putting down a permanent coating system and you're saving a ton of money. You're already way ahead of the game. You found the right place. Just make sure that you read the instructions for each area so that you're doing everything correctly. We want you to have the best experience that you possibly can have with applying these coating systems. And the goal is for you to have no problems. And we don't want you to have any problems, but there are certain conditions that professionals already know, and this is what I'm trying to explain to you. So here I am, Craig Jones at PerformanceDIY. I appreciate your time and patience and patronage. Please visit our website for a variety of other products that we have. Thank you for your time.